Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie, back with another video. Can y'all see me, or do I need to? Is this facing down? We here? I think we good. Yo, Cuts by Reggie, back with another video, and today we're just gonna have a quick review. We're not gonna be here long. First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? And today we're just gonna talk real quick about the Gamma boosted trimmers. This goes along with the boosted set of clippers that they had, and this is the trimmers. I did a unboxing of it. This is the Super Torque trimmers, 8,000 RPM, fully adjustable blade, of course. And this one does come with their blade setter, like I said in the unboxing. Got a few different colors that you can change to, all that stuff. 2 hours of run time. Nice little charging dock that it comes with, right? And we already talked about that. You get the LED. I say you get the LED. You get the cleaning oil, the brush, all that gets. I am stumbling right now, right? Anyway, there you go. Type C charging, all that good stuff. That's honestly what I've been doing. I did put it on the charger and plug it in just to make sure it worked. It's fine, of course. It's in there. It's wobbly, but it's in there. It's not like a hard lock in there. You know what I mean? It moves around, but this don't move around, so you good. But it does have the Type C charging capability. So like I said, I like that. A lot of the companies are adding the Type C. That's just like the universal charger now. Even iPhones are going to the Type C. You know what I'm saying? So as long as you got the Type C, you're good. You know what I'm saying? That's what they should do with some of these charging power blocks. All these people coming out with the charging docks, they should just have the Type C connector in there. But I guess it wouldn't work for something like this because the Type C is on the back and not the bottom. Then you got that. But whatever. We talked about the look of it. Was not a big fan of the look, and still not a big fan of the look. But somebody did point out, because I was like, is it bulky? I was like saying that it's bulky, right? Somebody asked in the comments, am I just used to using slim trimmers? Because if y'all been watching me for a while, one of my favorite trimmers is the Andis outline, right? So I pulled out my corded Andis custom Andis outline, and yeah, you're right. I am just used to using slimmer trimmers right now. My favorite trimmer is the Flex. A lot slimmer body. It's built different, but even with this, you got different. It just feels different in the hand. It's more sleek. Even not just mine, but you know, it got that curvature into the where the blades sit. It's just a different feel. It's not just a block. This is still, as far as width and everything, it's still about the same, but this still feels it's just blocky, and it's short too, you know what I'm saying? But that was a good observation. I've never thought about it like it when I'm calling a lot of these trimmers and clippers bulky, because that was a trimmer that I used for years and would still use it at times, you know what I'm saying? But as far as the look, the feel, still not a fan of the look, but I understand that it's a loud trimmer, right? Right, and then compared to where's my other? I don't even know where it's at. I got so much stuff around here I need to straighten up. But I've been doing these reviews but whatever, right? It's a loud trimmer. It's louder than some of the other trimmers that they do have out. But anyway, that is the body. It does come with their blade. I did not swap the blade. I was saying that I was gonna try it out with the gold blade and all that. This blade got the job done. Fresh out the box, it was pretty decent. I did set it just a tad to see about getting a good feel. Fresh out the box, it was cool. Got some decent lines, was able to ball out with it. But once you get it set, it's good. I love this blade. It's the same blade that I've liked. I do like the gold better, but this blade gets the job done, right? The main thing about this is the performance and price and stuff. The price of this is $159.95. So that's for this. So I did like the blade. It did get the job done. My only thing is, based on the build, based on the other products that's out there, based on the sound of this, it's very loud. I don't think this is gonna be one that everybody rush to. And this is the reason. Like I said, the blade is fine. It get the job done. But you can also pay $159 and just get a flex. To me, this is a better product. It got a better motor. It's not as loud as this, and it just feels better. You get what I'm saying? So when I review, and there is a lot of products coming out lately, that is one thing that I have noticed, and that's one thing that kind of bothers me at times. And sometimes that's why I don't have much to talk about and review, because a lot of the stuff that comes out is sometimes be the same. With this, I don't understand the rush of putting it out, and I get to have the boosted with the clipper. If you use the clipper, it's a nice combo set. I think you bring it out together rather than the boosted, like what, last year or something, and then a year later bring out the trimmer. You bring it out together, let everybody see the set. It's nice. It's a good buy. As far as this, it cuts. It cuts because of the blade. It cuts because of the motor is good. I just don't. When you got something like the Flex, or you got something even like the Instinct, even though I wasn't a big fan of the Instinct trimmer, some people are. You got stuff like that. I don't understand to me, the step back, rather than just using what you have and growing on what you already have and growing what already. And I get it. Maybe they're just trying to see what works and test out different things, and that's good too. Business is fine, but I think the Flex is that's my go-to trimmer. So with this, it works. I'm not gonna say it don't get the job done. It cuts. You get that blade right. It comes with the setter. You get the blade right. You able to cut all day. Me personally, I'm not swapping my Flex out to go to this. You know what I'm saying? I had no problems with it though. I mean, I honestly had no problems with using it. This is more or less just saying it's there. You can use my discount code if you want to and grab it. Me personally, I say you grab the Flex. And that's a Stylecraft. This is a Stylecraft Gamma, but this is a Gamma trimmer, and then the Flex is the Stylecraft trimmer. Me personally, just grab the Flex, same price. Yeah, so that's just me. And with the Flex, I think you got a longer run time. I think the Flex has 3 hours. This has 2. That's a rotary motor. This is a super torque, whatever motor. It's there. Again, it's not a bad trimmer. It's just not needed at the moment. My personal opinion. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And we'll be back. Another video, another haircut, another tutorial, another unboxing, another something. Who knows? Peace.